Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to implement calculated columns and calculated measures using data analysis expressions. What is a DAX? So we should know that what is a DAX, that is a data analysis expression. It is nothing but like a library which contains different functions and operators. So we'll use that library and functions to create or to build formulas and expression in Power BI. So let's start with video. So first we will open the Power BI. So within search box, just type Power BI desktop. So here it is showing icon of Power BI desktop. So just double click on it. It will open the Power BI. And friends, if you have not installed Power BI tool, then please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Power BI. Power BI tool is open. Now just click on this blank report. We are going to implement calculated columns. So for that purpose, already I have taken data set. So I will show you the data set. This is one simple Excel sheet. Within that, I have taken 4 columns: order ID, power product, quantity, and product cost. Okay. So order ID is given from 1 to 5. Quantity and product cost. Name of product is given here. So what we will do here, we'll import this file in Power BI and we will implement the calculated columns and measures. Okay. So right now I will save this file and I will close this. One more thing here, I have given name to this sheet as order. So within Power BI, the sheet will considered as the name of the table. Now here sheet name is order. So it will consider table name as order and it will create different columns within that table. Okay. Whatever sheet file name you give, it doesn't matter. Just it will consider the sheet name as a order. Okay. I will close this. Just remember where you have kept this data sheet because we are going to import it within the Power BI. So within this Power BI, just you have to click on this get data. From here, other, and just here in search box, just type EXCEL Excel workbook. So here it is showing Excel workbook which you want to import. Otherwise, you can have another option. Here also it is showing Excel workbook. From here also you can import the file, or here also it is showing import data from Excel sheet. But this get data is best option because each and every type of data you will get here. So from get data, just you have to click on more, and we want to import Excel file, whatever I have shown it right now. So again, you have to select here Excel workbook and click on this connect button. Now here our sheet is order.xls. Our file name is order. So just I will double click on it so that it will get imported. Now here just select this order. It is showing this table and just click on load option. Okay. Now here in data, it is showing the order table is imported here. Again, I want to see this order table. So just I will see on left hand side different types of views are given: report view, table view, model view, and DAX query view. So just I will click on this table view so that we'll be able to see this table, order table. Now here I want to create new column. So here if you observe towards top side, it is showing the icon for new column. So just click on this. I want to give name to this column as order cost is equal to. Now see, I'm going to insert the column having name as a order cost, and what will be the calculation within that we are creating here calculated column. So I will give the calculations. The I will calculate the order cost by multiplying with the number of quantities with product cost. We suppose I'm first product I'm taking for 5,000 rupees. So I will multiply it with the quantities. Four products I have taken. So 5,000 into 4. Answer is 20,000. So whatever calculated value is there, it will print that value within the column. Okay. So I will give the formula order cost is equal to. Now we are taking these values from the order table. So I will type order. Now see, from order table, whatever parameters we have, whatever columns we have, it is giving name of all. So I just want to multiply with quantity. So I will take here quantity into again order of product cost, and just so order cost is equal to order of quantity into order of product cost, and just click here. So it will show the calculated column, that is order cost, and it will do the calculation by multiplying quantity with product cost, and whatever answer is there, it will print here automatically after applying this formula. So it is nothing but the calculated column. Here order cost is our calculation column. Now I want to use new measure also. I want to apply my calculated measure also. For that purpose, again I will click on this table tools. Again I have option here new measure, and here I want to calculate sum of this order cost. So I will apply the formula, and I will give name to my new measure as the total sales is equal to. Now formula is sum of from order table. So I will give order of order cost, whatever column we have calculated right now. And just click here. Okay. So here it will give the calculated measure, that is the total sales. Okay. Now just click here and click on this report view, and just click on this total sales and report view. So in the form of I want to print, so just I will select this option matrix view. So once I click here on total sales, it is showing the value here, that is 77,600 is the total sale. Okay, if you want to see in the form of graph, just select the required graph, so it will show the total sale in the form of graph also. Now friends, here we have completed calculated column and calculated measure. Now here calculated column is order cost, whatever we have calculated by multiplying quantity with product cost. So we got the order cost, and total sale, it is nothing but the total sale is sum of this order cost. And if we want to see in the form of view, I will use this multi row card. So here it is showing the total sales. Now friends, if we want to see this data in the DAX query view, then I will click this DAX query view. Suppose I want this order cost, so just I will right click on this order cost. It will show the show data preview, show column statistic, and define new measures. So I want to show the data, so I will select on show data preview. So it will show the evaluate value for distinct order cost. So here it is showing the table order cost. Okay, and if I want to see the total sales, then I will right click on this total sales, then quick queries, define and evaluate. Now see, here it is showing the definition for this measure, that is the total sale is equal to sum of this order cost from this order table. So it is showing the query and it is showing the answers here. That is to value of total sale. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.